Welcome to Elite Technique, the all-in-one fence software built to make your business work smarter, not harder. In this session, we'll walk you through how to create a company/vendor contact. Let's get started. Click on the 9 dots located on the upper left part of the screen. Go into the Contacts app, which is the little book with the bust. Click on Create to create a new contact. Today, we will create a company/vendor contact, so click on Company. Give your contact the name. Our system is connected to Google Earth API, so it's imperative that you provide a 100% verified address in order to get the exact location when using the drawing tool to provide this contact with a quote/proposal. When inputting the state, you only need to prompt the first letters and choose the correct state when the option becomes available. And of course, enter the correct zip code. There are 3 fields where you can add a phone number. The number you add next to where it says phone will be the main POC for this contact, and any information/communication linked to the contact will also contain this phone number. The number you add next to where it says mobile will be the number attached to text messaging. If you decide to activate that one-way service in your system for an additional monthly fee. For the sake of connectivity, it is important to not leave the email field empty. If for any reason your contact does not have an email address, just make one up and this will suffice. You can also utilize tags to easier identify contacts or distinguish them without having to click on the contact card to open it. You may use the options available or create a new tag on the spot. After the tag is created, you can even click on it and choose the tag color. If you're dealing with a subcontracting company or individual, check on the box next to where it says subcontractor. If you click on the Sales and Purchase tab, you can assign a specific salesperson to this contact/vendor. Set the payment terms or the purchase terms for vendors. Assign a specific price list, and even add some miscellaneous information like how the contact was obtained or where he or she came from. Companies/vendors usually have more than one person that you have to communicate with, and most likely have more than one delivery and or invoicing address. If you click on the Contacts and Addresses tab and then click on Add, you have the ability to add as many additional contacts and addresses that this company contact/vendor may have. You can also add the additional contact's phone and email address. If you need to add any internal notes, that option is also available. This additional contact and or address will live underneath the main contact, but will have a separate contact card when you enter the Contacts app, so that you avoid the need to go through the main contact and then search for this subcontact or additional address. Let's review what we can see on a contact card. We have the contact name, any tags utilized with the color that we chose for them, the contact city and country, and the contact's email address. If you click on the little gray clock, you can schedule activities that will be displayed in the history/log note section, where you can see any changes made in real time. Remember that you can also create an opportunity or schedule an appointment for this contact when in the contact card. Thank you very much.